Hey guys, so I've been in the crypto mining game for about 3 years now, and recently I went on this crazy deep research binge. Spent like 35, maybe 40 hours just going through YouTube videos about cloud mining platforms, trying to figure out which ones are legit and which ones aren't. And to be honest, I'm completely worn out because what I kept finding is most of the content creators they're promoting straight up scam operations. In their videos, everything looks incredible, runs perfectly, you watch them mining and withdrawing, it all seems legit, then you go ahead and test it yourself and yeah, your funds just disappear into nothing. What really annoys me is there's hardly any legitimate platforms left that actually do real cloud mining. Most of what's out there, pure junk, but there are a couple that are still authentic, and Crypto Hash is one of those. So today I'm showing you the whole process, the actual platform, how everything works, so definitely stay till the end here.
All right, let's jump into this. So first thing, I select which cryptocurrency I'm mining. Gonna pick Solana for this, but you've got access to basically every major coin. Ethereum, USDT, Tron, Solana, all the big names. Just going with SOL here. Okay, next step, I gotta input my payout wallet address. So opening Trust Wallet quick, copying my address, flipping back, gonna drop it in right here. Yeah, simple enough. Now I'm choosing my target amount. Let me set, yeah, this looks good, perfect. And this part, kind of important, I pick the hash power level. This basically determines how fast mining happens. Higher means quicker, but costs more. So there's definitely a trade-off. I'm setting this to, yeah, that feels reasonable. And the last thing, tapping start mining now, and okay, we're running. I can watch everything processing here, progress tracking, estimated time, all that stuff. So now it's just waiting for completion.
And all right, done. Mining wrapped up, and I've generated tokens. So I can either kick off another session or cash out what I made. But here's the important bit. The platform requires the infrastructure fee paid before they process withdrawals. You can see the breakdown right here. So yeah, remember, there's a minimum infrastructure fee for accessing their mining network, so plan for that. So I'm copying this payment address. Give me a sec. Good, now back to the site, clicking I've paid, and waiting for verification. Okay, so while this goes through and I'm waiting for tokens to arrive, let me explain what I learned the hard way. I've personally tried like 6 or 7 different cloud mining sites over the last year or so, and most of them ran the exact same scam. They'd process your first small withdrawal perfectly to gain your confidence.
Then you'd put in more money thinking it's safe, and that's when everything changes. Suddenly there's system maintenance, or they claim you need to pay extra verification fees, or the whole site just goes dark. I got scammed out of about $320 total across multiple platforms before I found this one. My biggest tip for newcomers, ignore platforms that promise unrealistic returns. If someone's advertising like 150% gains in 5 days, run the other way. Real mining has realistic returns. Boring is actually good in this space. It means they're not trying to hook you with fake promises. Anyway, if you're thinking about trying this, the link's in the description and in the comment section. Obviously, research it yourself first, but this one's been reliable for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.